What do all these projects have in common? Well, they were built in Rhino. But here's the real question. How do you go from architecture to capital A architecture in Studio? You get that when thinking comes before tools. What these projects actually have in common is architectural intent, a clear concept, a strong relationship between form and space, structure that is both logical and visible, form and materials used with intention, and drawings that communicate clearly. These projects work because someone made deliberate architectural decisions. The software didn't create the architecture, it revealed it. Most architectural tutorials teach commands: extrude, offset, boolean. But architecture isn't a list of commands. It's a sequence of creative and purposeful decisions. What is the core idea? How does form emerge? How is experience shaped? What gives it character? And that thinking, that's what's often missing in software tutorials. So, we built the Rhino Studio Series differently. Every episode starts with architecture, the conventions, the standards, the reasoning. Then, we build it in Rhino. We connect design thinking to digital workflows, not separate them. This isn't just one tutorial, it's a multi-season modular curriculum. Because architecture isn't one skill, it's layered. From architectural drawings to massing studies, design development, panelization, fabrication, and more. We're covering the full spectrum of architectural development with Rhino. If you're an educator looking for architecture-led content designed to integrate directly into your curriculum, this is for you. Or if you're a beginner architecture student trying to connect studio thinking to digital tools, this is also for you. We're building structured, syllabi-ready resources that integrate directly into studio teaching and learning. Not just a collection of videos, but a curricular support system designed to plug into real classrooms. So, if you've ever named your file final, real final, if your layer structure barely made sense at 2 a.m., if your model looks impressive, but you're still trying to figure out what the actual concept is a day before your crit, you're not alone. That's what happens when our tools come before design thinking. And if you've experienced any of that, you now know what studio life is about. It's iterative, intense, overwhelming, and transformative. This architectural studio series for Rhino is not just teaching software. We're helping you think like a designer and architect. We're immersing you in architectural reasoning and showing you how Rhino becomes the tool to express it. Studio life comes first, and the Rhino Studio Series supports us.